Hello Songbird, Kerri from the Songbird where we get grounded, take flight and sing. And today, you've made it to day 10! Day 10 of 21 days to your new voice. What an amazing accomplishment. You should be giving yourself, well actually why don't we do a bit of a virtual high five. Well done, I'm so proud of you for coming this far. Now, today's really exciting. We are going to work on an exercise called the ooh slide, okay? Now this one is such a good one. Like we've been working a lot on how to get rid of tension in the throat and how to get rid of the, the pulley feeling, that straining feeling. This is going to take it to a whole nother level, but it's also going to really help you develop your high notes, so your head voice, okay? We're going to get slightly operatic with this, or actually I should say very operatic with this, because that's the way it's going to be most effective. So as I have said and reiterated across all the other days prior to this, doing exercises is great, but you've got to do it correctly, okay? So every day when I give you a little bite size, it's all about helping you cultivate the best habits to get to a transformed voice where you want to be, okay? So let's do the ooh. So I'll show you how it sounds like. And then it'll be your turn. So we're gonna start here, and what I want to do is really use my head voice, okay? And I'm gonna go ooh. So everybody just say ooh with me. Ooh, ooh. So really get into that feeling of a gentle and very open ooh. So kind of like an owl. Ooh, and you're gonna sing like that, okay? So it's gonna go like this. See, I'm letting the vibrato just go. Set it free, let it go, okay? Ooh. Ooh. Oops. Ooh. Ooh. And as you get higher and higher into your head voice, in order to make it really open and effective, what you need to do is actually start to employ the character of an opera singer. So you start to go, ooh. So you drop your jaw really super long and low. Drop it low and make your jaw really long. So like that, okay? And really, take on the persona of Pavarotti. Take on the persona of an opera singer. That is the best way you're going to really enjoy the benefits of this particular exercise. Getting that openness in the throat, getting that access to the high notes. It's all about that opera diva that I know is living inside you, okay? So I'm just going to show you a few more and really so that you can get a sense of what I'm talking about. So we're not going to go, ooh, okay? Ooh, that's what we're looking for. So it's your turn now, Songbird. I'm going to actually take the guys and the girls separately, because guys and girls' head voices are in different sections of the voice. So girls, you come with me first, okay? We're going to do, actually we're going to start here. No, we'll start there. Alright, here we go. Ooh, drop the jaw, make it very long. Think of yourself as an opera singer. Let the vibrato go, let's go. And really slide it down. Good. Well done. Now get more operatic here. That's it. Long the jaw. Lovely. Exaggerate the opera diva. Good work. Slide it down. That's it. Keep it operatic. Good. Lots of vibrato. Nice work. All right, boys, it's your turn. Okay, so same thing. I want you to use your falsetto. Do not worry about if you think it sounds weak or anything like that. That is so not the point right now, okay? The point is for you to facilitate the strength, and you've got to start somewhere, okay? So even if you feel like it sounds weak right now, it does not matter. Just put on that Pavarotti character and you'll be fine, all right? So guys, I'm actually going to get you to start. Okay. Okay, so here. All right, here we go, guys. Pavarotti and. in your head voice there, falsetto. That's right. And remember, exaggerate it. Jaw long. Good. That's it. Nice and long jaw. Exaggerate that Pavarotti. Well done. Doing very well. Long jaw. And slide that down. Okay, fantastic. There you go. So that's your little bite-size exercise for day 10 of 21 days to your new voice. Enjoy that. Remember, it's all about the operatic diva. So exaggerate that, put your actress and actor hat on, and pretend you're an opera singer. And this is going to really revolutionize and your throat and the way you carry it, and also just expanding on your head voice falsetto and those high notes, all right, to get them really strong and rich. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. I cannot wait to see you again tomorrow for day 11 of your 21 days to your new voice. Now, if you would like to learn how to warm up your voice with my ultimate best warm-up exercises, I would love you to go to my website, just click the link below, and I will send you for free my ultimate vocal warm-up guide. So get onto it, Songbirds. It's amazing and you're going to love it. But I can't wait to see you tomorrow for day 11 of 21 days to your new voice. See ya!